Anyway, move to the next one, Will. A newly launched meme coin wants to buy a Tesla for the 19-year-old that's tracking Elon Musk's private jet, if Elon won't. This, of course, Jack Sweeney, who we had on the show. We did an interview with him. Many people have watched this interview. We wanted to just get his side of it, find out as much information as we could. There's been a little bit of a back and forth there's been a few Twitter threads that have mentioned that conversation that we had. And I'm still trying to figure out just how exclusive this software is. And like, because again, it's the way he represented it is like a really open thing. Mm-hmm. But apparently it's not so black and white.
Some favors to be done.
According to others, they just say like, yeah, this information is out there, but there's other policies that exist on social media that may kind of what we were saying. So it's still a little bit gray. Anyway, for those of you that want the brief version of it, ElonJet on Twitter ran by Jack Sweeney, had him on the show. He's tracking the whereabouts of Elon Musk's jet, no matter where it goes, in partnership with ADSBE Exchange. ADSB Exchange. You don't have to say the E. It's part of the word exchange.
Right.
ADSB Exchange. He asked Elon for $50,000 after receiving a $5,000 offer to take the account down, to take the Twitter account down. Mm-hmm. Elon blocked him afterwards. And that's kind of where it's at right now. But in the meantime, this guy's account kind of blew up. How many followers do you have right now?
For ElonJet?
Yeah. 371,000. It's bigger every day. Mm-hmm. People are really interested in this thing. And so anyway, I guess this new crypto, they are a fan of his. Well, everybody wants to get Elon's attention, however possible. Mm-hmm. A new crypto token called ElonJet launched last week, so they just named it after that Twitter account.
Yeah.
To support a 19-year-old's jet tracking project that Elon Musk himself is said to have tried and failed to shut down. He's becoming he's becoming famous or infamous?
I think a little bit of both.
Jack Sweeney, the teen who runs a Twitter page tracking Musk's private jet, previously said he declined a $5,000 offer from the billionaire to delete the account. Last week, Sweeney said he countered with an ask of $50,000 or a Tesla Model 3. I think he also asked for an internship at one point. Mm-hmm. Anyway, so let's just do what we do in 2022. Let's just try to fit crypto in. Let's just try to say Web3 as many times as possible. Their Twitter page says that if the coin hits a market cap of 10 million, the coin's unvetted valuation on CoinMarketCap was around 3 million as of Sunday afternoon. If it hits 10 million, then what do? They give Jack Sweeney 50 G's or the Model 3?
The Model 3.
They give him that one right there?
I guess so.
Can't even buy it in that color. That's a wrap. That's a silver wrap. You can't buy a silver Tesla in a long time, actually. So he's getting a special one, if it's that. Or they just picked any gift that they could find. So yeah, it's the next hot meme coin, and we'll see if it gets Elon's attention or not.